My son, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Well, I've heard what you said, but I'll ask. Now that your family did not support you by not coming with you, are you sure you still want to go ahead with the marriage, right?
Papa, I no get issues at all. Whether my family supports me or not, now where my happiness day, now I follow.
For Jesus!
So I don't need their support at all. But I don't marry your daughter. I just do okay.
That's good, that's good. You see my daughter? She's the only daughter I have, and I don't joke with her. Besides that, she is a graduate. When I mean a graduate, she has been through the 4 walls of a university. Not just Kwekwe University, the best university you can think of. And another important thing you need to note is that she is a virgin.
Now those qualities make me come fall in love with her well. I should go school so, and everyone knows say me not go school. If we born picking now, we no go born illiterate. And that virgin part where you talk so, it's with me well. I can't wait.
That's good. In our tradition, anyone that wants to marry a daughter usually will give the person 25 strokes of the cane. But in her case, she's a virgin, and you know what it takes to keep yourself as a virgin. You know, having been through primary, secondary, and the university, you are still a virgin. That means you are a priceless child. So because she's a virgin and a graduate, I'm increasing the strokes to 50 strokes of cane.
My husband, you know, say the joy of every mother now when he pikin they marry. And this one now, not be say the pikin just they marry like that too. The pikin they marry as virgin and graduate. Now pride to me now. So my husband, I go like increase them to, I go fit add 20. Join the strokes of the cane so that it go be 70. Abi, my brother, you mind?
That one no a problem at all. That one is small thing. At least for the sake of love, what I take care for your daughter. Even if we ever increase that to 100, I go take her. You know, say no pain, no gain.
Okay, don't make that mistake.
That's good.
I want gain now.
My son here will be the one to perform the rites, being the first child of the family. All right.
I'm sorry for all of you. God have mercy upon us.
Who want?
Oh, one. Which one we want? Now 5 oh. Now 5 we don't do. Now we want to.
One.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Now be 2. Now 10. Now 10.
Say it is stammer. All those when they talk, we know they count her. Now only when they hit her hair, now they count.
Oh, I don't count those one.
Guys, we see what your mouth cannot talk.
Who 50?
50.
No, my 20 now for me.
Oh, that's not true. Add the 20 now, maybe 70.
You will die.
Who like that where now? Who they delay me here? His life cannot be in danger.
It's a pity.
Who 70?
70. He's strong. My daughter, you are very lucky. He is a strong man. That shows he's ready to marry you.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
He's a strong man.
Thank you.
Strong man.
Thank you. This is our first night ever after our wedding, right? So I'm going to make it memorable for you and I. So I'm going to first kind of enjoy ourselves, okay? Alright, let's start.
What's going on here?
You think it's a joke?
Babe, what was the meaning of that?
I can explain.
So you are not a virgin?
I can explain.
You are not a virgin.
Babe, I can explain.
What happened?
I no marry again.
I say I no marry again. I dey come o. Muna wait. Una go ask her. She go tell una later. If I for those flog una flog me that day. Lie down.
He never reach like
I
that.
say lie down, lie down.
He never reach like that now.
Oh, now Pikin don't kill me.